Hello all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing great. Don't forget, we have a giveaway happening on the channel, so make sure you don't miss out. Today, the video is about vintage classic American muscle truck, that is 1978 Dodge Lil Red Express, which was introduced in 1978. Before we dwell into the detail, let's unbox it. This was a limited production model with the high performance pickup truck which stands out with the vibrant red color and a heartfelt message. Will you be my Valentine? I'll get back to this topic later. The Hot Wheels and the Dodge logo make it look cool. This diecast is a part of the Hot Wheels Basic Series by Metal with a diecast body, plastic base and tires. Even though the interior doesn't have lots of detail, but it still captures the feel of the original truck. The flatbed design is a nod to the unique wooden sides of the Lil Red Express. This Lil Red Express was surprisingly quick for a truck of its time, going from 0 to 100 miles per hour in 19.9 seconds, with a top speed of 118.8 miles per hour. It also performed well in braking test. Will you be my Valentine? What a sweet sentiment. It's like the little truck is asking someone to ride into their heart. So to answer to question, yes, this little red truck with a logo definitely gets a thumbs up from me. Whether it's for Valentine's Day or any day, it's a cool addition to any collection. So that's the end of today's video. Did you enjoy it? Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe for more. Already a part of my Chill with Sabi community? Thank you for your support. Be sure to check out my other videos and share them with your friends. Let's grow this Chill with Sabi community together. Until next time, keep spreading the love, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.